In this video, I'm going to show you how to select the best traders to copy on BingX, so you can maximize your performance and avoid the mistakes most beginners make. Before we start, if you don't have a BingX account yet, you'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. It allows you to sign up with lifetime trading fee discounts and sign-up bonuses. Now, let's see exactly how to analyze a trader's page on BingX step by step. On the trader's profile, the first thing to look at is the overall performance, including the P&L and cumulative P&L. A very high return looks attractive, but taken alone, it doesn't mean much. Always check multiple time frames: 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and 180 days. What you're looking for is consistency over time, not a lucky streak. Just below that, you see the RSI over recent periods. This is a complementary indicator. It helps you understand recent momentum, but it should never be your main criterion. Next, look at the most traded pairs. This tells you what the trader actually trades: Bitcoin, altcoins, commodities, or a mix of different markets. Also check the distribution of profits and losses by pair. A trader who is too concentrated on a single asset can be more risky. A bit further down, you'll find the trader's key metrics. Start with the win rate. A reasonable win rate combined with good risk management is often more reliable than a very high win rate achieved by taking huge risks. Then look at the average profit and average loss. If losses are much larger than gains, it means the trader is willing to accept deep drawdowns. One of the most important metrics is the drawdown, shown here as the maximum consecutive loss over 30 days. This number shows you the worst recent scenario. Next to that, you'll see the risk score. The higher it is, the more risk the trader is taking. It must match your own risk tolerance. The Sharpe ratio is also very important. It measures performance relative to risk. The higher it is, the more controlled and consistent the strategy tends to be. Then look at the trader's activity. Shows their experience on the platform. The average holding time and trading frequency help you understand their style: short-term, swing trading, or a more relaxed approach. Finally, check the copier statistics. The number of active copiers, copiers' profits, and assets under management give you a good indication of the trust placed in that trader. A good practice is to never copy just one trader, but to diversify by copying several traders with different styles. Copy trading can be very effective, but only if you take the time to select the right profiles. If you want to start copy trading on BingX under the best conditions, the link is in the description and in the pinned comment with lifetime fee discounts and sign-up bonuses. In the next videos, we'll see how to allocate your capital across multiple traders and how to manage risk intelligently in copy trading. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for the next one.